Hey everyone, Ryan here. This video will be a Helium 10 review. Essentially, I'm going to be sharing with you Helium 10's pros, cons, features, and pricing. So essentially, I'm going to break down each aspect of Helium 10 from product research and keyword optimization to competitor analysis and inventory management. So by the end of this video, you will have a thorough understanding of what this tool can do and how it can help you grow your Amazon business. Now, I know that when you first look at Helium 10, it can seem a little bit overwhelming. There are so many different features and tools, and it can be tough to know where to start. But before we jump into the specifics of this tool, I want to take a moment to talk about why having the right tools is so important for Amazon sellers. When you're selling on Amazon, you are competing against thousands of other sellers, many of whom are using advanced tools and strategies to get ahead. So if you want to succeed in this competitive landscape, you will need to have the right tools in your arsenal. And Helium 10 is just one of the best ones that you can actually get. I do have to mention that Helium 10 is a paid tool. Upgrading to a paid plan unlocks the true power of this all-in-one Amazon seller tool. So if you're interested, go ahead and check the link in our description box down below. You would get a 20% off for 6 months, or you can use the code ThriveMedia20 at checkout. Or you can grab the 10% off for every single month using ThriveMedia10 at checkout. So moving on, I want to kick things off by talking about one of my favorite features of Helium 10, the Chrome extension. You can add this web browser to extend the functionality of the tool. And the Helium 10 Chrome extension is a powerhouse when it comes to Amazon product research. So to access the extension, simply install it from the Chrome Web Store and then navigate to Amazon.com. And then once you're on Amazon, you will notice that the Helium 10 extension adds a bunch of new data points and features to the search results page. And one of the most useful features of the extension is the X-ray tool. The X-ray tool allows you to quickly analyze any product on Amazon and get valuable data points like the monthly sales, revenue, BSR, price, and more. This information is crucial for determining whether a product is worth selling and how much competition you will face if you decide to enter the market. To use the X-ray tool, simply perform a search on Amazon for a product like this one, and once the search results load, click on the Helium 10 extension icon in your browser toolbar and select X-ray. The X-ray tool will then load a new page with detailed data on all of the products in the search results. You can see things like the average price, average monthly sales, average revenue, and more. You can click on individual products to get even more detailed data, including a sales graph that shows you how many units the product has sold over the past day, or maybe week, month, or year. One of the things I love about the X-ray tool is how customizable it can be. So you can filter the results by a variety of criteria, such as the price range or review count, and this makes it easy to drill down and find products that meet your specific criteria. In addition to the X-ray tool, Helium 10 Chrome extension also offers a few other useful features. For example, there is a review downloader that allows you to quickly download all of the reviews for a particular product, and this can be super helpful for doing competitor research and identifying potential issues or any concerns that the customers have with a product. There's also a profitability calculator that allows you to quickly estimate your potential profit margins for a product based on the price, fees, or any other factors. And this is a great way to get a quick sense of whether a product is worth pursuing without having to do a bunch of manual calculations. So overall, as you can see, the Helium 10 Chrome extension is incredibly powerful, and every seller should have it in their toolkit. It makes product research faster, easier, and more accurate, and it gives you access to valuable data that you won't find anywhere else. Now let's move on to the main Helium 10 dashboard and see how we can do a product research. When you first log in to Helium 10, you'll be greeted with a dashboard that provides an overview of your account and any recent activity. From here, you can access all of the different tools and features that Helium 10 has to offer. And the first section that we will look at is the product research. This is where you will find tools like Blackbox and Trendster, which are designed to help you find profitable products to sell on Amazon. Blackbox is Helium 10's flagship product research tool, and that's for good reason. It allows you to search for products based on a wide range of criteria, including price, the monthly revenue, review count, weight, and more. You can also filter your search results by categories, sellers, and other factors to help you find the perfect product to sell. So to use Blackbox, simply click on the Product Research tab in Helium 10 dashboard and then select Blackbox from the submenu. And then from here, you can enter your search criteria and start browsing any potential products. Again, one of the things I like about Blackbox is how customizable it is. You can set your own filters and criteria to match your specific needs and goals as a seller. For example, if you are looking for a product that's lightweight and easy to ship, you can set a maximum weight filter. And if you're looking for a product with high demand but low competition, then you can set the filters for minimum monthly revenue and maximum review count. Once you have found a product that looks promising, you can click on it to view more detailed information, and this will include things like the product's price history, any sales rank, estimated monthly sales, and so much more. You can also see a list of the top sellers for that product along with their estimated monthly sales and revenue. In addition to the black box tool, there is also Trendster, and this one is designed to help you identify trending products that are currently popular in Amazon. It works by analyzing data from Amazon's bestseller rank, so the BSR, and identifying products that have seen a sudden surge in popularity. So to use this tool, click on the Product Research tab and then select Trendster from the submenu. From here, you can browse a list of currently trending products along with data on their sales rank, price, and estimated monthly sales. And one of the cool things about Trendster is that it allows you to set up alerts for specific products or keywords. So if you are interested in a particular product or niche, you can get notified whenever there is a sudden spike in popularity. This can be a great way to stay on top of emerging trends and capitalize on them before your competitors do. Once you have found a product that you want to sell on Amazon, the next step is to optimize your product listing for maximum visibility and sales. And this is where keyword research and listing optimization comes into play. And Helium 10 offers a suite of tools to help you with both. The first tool that we'll look at is Magnet. Magnet is a keyword research tool that allows you to quickly generate a list of relevant keywords for your product. So to use Magnet, simply enter a seed keyword. For example, I'm going to use phone cases, and then Magnet will generate a list of related keywords along with data on their search volume and competition level. One of the things I love about Magnet is how easy it is to use. You don't need to be an SEO expert to get value out of this tool. You simply enter a seed keyword and let Magnet do the heavy lifting for you. In addition to Magnet, Helium also offers a tool called Cerebro. Cerebro is a reverse ASIN lookup tool that allows you to spy on your competitors and see which keywords they are targeting. So to use Cerebro, simply enter a competitor's ASIN, the Amazon Standard Identification Number, and Cerebro will generate a list of all the keywords that product is ranking for. This is incredibly valuable information because it allows you to see how your competitors are driving their sales, and then you simply target the same keywords. You can also use Cerebro to identify gaps in your competitor's keyword strategy and find untapped opportunities for your own product. So once you have a solid list of keywords, the next step would be to optimize your product listing. And this is where Helium 10's Scribbles tool comes in handy. Scribbles is a listing optimization tool that helps you ensure that your product listing is fully optimized for the keywords that you are targeting. And this is how you use the Scribbles tool. You simply enter your product title and then the bullet points and description into the tool, along with any keywords that you want to target. Scribbles will then analyze your listing and provide suggestions for how to optimize it further. It will also give you a score based on how well optimized your listing is, so you can track your progress over time. And one of the things I like about the Scribbles tool is that it makes optimizing your listing a breeze. You don't need to be a copywriter or have a deep understanding of Amazon's algorithm to get any value out of this tool. You just enter your listing and the keywords, and Scribbles will guide you through the optimization process step by step. In addition to keyword research and listing optimization, Helium 10 also offers a suite of tools for competitor analysis and keyword tracking. These tools are designed to help you keep tabs on your competitors and monitor your own performance over time. The first tool that we'll look at is the keyword tracker. This one allows you to track your product's ranking for specific keywords over time. It is important because it allows you to see how your optimization efforts are paying off and identify any areas where you need to improve. So to use this one, simply enter the ASINs of your products that you want to track along with the keywords that you are targeting. Helium 10 will then track your product's ranking for those keywords over time and provide you with detailed reports and graphs. As I said, this tool allows you to track your competitors' rankings as well. And this is of course very valuable because it allows you to see how you stack up against your competition and identify any areas that you need to step up your game. There is also the market tracker. This one helps you to keep tabs on your competitors as well, but also monitor changes in the overall market. You would have to enter the ASINs of the products that you want to track, and then you will be provided with detailed data on those products, including their price history, sales rank, estimated monthly sales, and more. I also like to set up alerts to be notified whenever there is a significant change in any of these metrics. It also allows you to see how your competitors are performing over time, so you can easily identify any changes in the market and adjust your strategy accordingly. For example, if you notice that a competitor's sales have suddenly dropped off, you might want to know why and see if there is any opportunity for you to step in and capture some of that market share. In addition to the tools I have already covered, Helium 10 also offers a suite of other features and tools to help you manage and grow your Amazon business. Here are a few of the highlights. There's alerts, as Helium 10's alerts feature allows you to set up custom notifications for a wide range of events, such as changes in your product's pricing, the reviews, or inventory levels. And this is a great way to stay on top of your business and react quickly to any changes or issues that arise. There's also inventory management, as Helium 10's inventory management tools allow you to keep track of your inventory levels and forecast future demand. This is important because it helps you avoid stockouts and overstocking, which can be costly mistakes for Amazon sellers. There's also the Refund Genie, which is a tool that helps you identify and claim reimbursements for lost or damaged inventory. Amazon is notorious for making mistakes when it comes to inventory, and the Refund Genie helps you recover any money that you are owed. In addition to all of these tools, Helium 10 also offers a wealth of educational resources to help you learn and grow as an Amazon seller. This includes the Freedom Ticket Amazon Training course, which is a comprehensive program that covers everything from product research to listing optimization and PPC advertising. The course is included with all Helium 10 memberships and is about $1,000 value on its own. Other than that, there is Helium 10 Academy, which is a series of in-depth tutorials and guides on how to use each of the tools within the platform. The Academy is designed to help you get the most out of this tool and accelerate your Amazon business growth. And now that we've covered most of the features and tools that Helium 10 has to offer, let's talk about how much you will actually be paying for it. Helium 10 offers three main pricing plans. You've got the starter plan at about $29 per month when billed annually, the platinum plan at $79 per month, and the diamond plan, which is billed at $229 per month. You would be saving up to 25% per month when billed annually, and this is what the prices would look like if you were to pay monthly and not annually. The starter plan is a great option for new Amazon sellers who are just getting started and don't need access to all of the Helium 10's advanced features. It does include access to the Chrome extension, Blackbox, Trendster, and a few other basic tools. The Platinum plan is where it's at. This is the most popular option, and it is a great choice for serious Amazon sellers who want to access to all of the platform's core features. This includes everything in the starter plan, plus advanced tools like Cerebro, Magnet, and the keyword tracker. And last but not least, we have the Diamond plan, which is the top tier option and is designed for high volume sellers who will need access to all of the platform's features and tools. It includes everything in the Platinum plan, plus additional perks like priority support and the exclusive training resources. If you're interested in trying out Helium 10, the good news is that there are several ways to get a discount on your subscription. You could use our discount code ThriveMedia20, which will give you 20% off for 6 months on any one of the plans that you choose, or ThriveMedia10 at checkout and you will get 10% off every single month. This is a great way to test out the platform and see if it's a good fit for your business. And again, if you really want to maximize your savings, you can sign up for an annual subscription, and then you would end up saving around 25% as mentioned earlier. And with that, we will have reached the end of this video. We have gone over all of the key features and tools that the platform has to offer, from product research and keyword optimization to competitor analysis and inventory management. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let us know what your thoughts are on the tool in the comment section down below. And if you found today's video to be helpful and informative to watch, then go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on any follow-up content that we can make related to this one.